Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the SkyQ environment so the rest works smoothly. First, check your box has the latest SkyQ update. This unlocks app support. Next, connect the box to a reliable router. Ethernet is best. Otherwise, use 5 GHz Wi-Fi to reduce buffering. Finally, get your Google account and a smartphone ready because you may need to sign in or pair devices. Once done, proceed to the Apps section on the SkyQ home screen to begin installing. You now install and sign into YouTube on SkyQ. Navigate to Home, select Apps, and locate YouTube. If it isn't listed, open the Sky browser to access YouTube.com. Install or update the app, then launch it. The app often displays an on-screen code. Use your phone to visit the pairing page and enter the code, or use the mobile app to authenticate. This connects your Google account so subscriptions and recommendations sync. Once signed in, verify playback with a short video. You finish by confirming playback and handling common problems. Play a couple of videos at 720p or 1080p to check streaming quality. If you see buffering, make sure no heavy downloads are running and try Ethernet. If the app freezes, restart your SkyQ box and router, then relaunch the app. If sign-in issues persist, sign out and re-authenticate, or clear the app cache from settings. This often resolves token or cache corruption. If nothing helps, contact Sky support for account-specific assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.